Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply pepper stroke effect in CapCut apps. Alright, go to new project and select your video or photo you want to edit, and I'm going to select my project. And to add the pepper stroke effect, just click effect and select body effect. On trending you can find, just scroll to here's pepper stroke, click on it and click on it again to adjust for the texture, size, range, and also atmosphere. Alright, just click check mark. So this is the final result you have on your clip, but this is a pro effect, so you have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.